Yellow buzz. It's a buzz, but it's yellow. Well, it's the day after. I'm still tired, obviously. Got about 3 hours sleep. We're going to go back home now and have a nap, so I should be alright. Just dropped my daughter off in work. So seeing her beautiful smiling face, miserable little shit, is wonderful, as always. The boost I needed. And today's another day. So no matter if I was feeling a bit down or not, today is another day. The weather doesn't look as miserable. It's grey, overcast. It's not cold, it's not rainy, it's not windy. That's a start. I should be able to get out and go for a walk if I need to later. I think. Go on, you can go, lad. Go, Johnny, go, 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 go. I need to sort these tyres out though. Got a couple of trips to Liverpool airport coming up and I want to make sure they're sound before I go. So I'll have to book them at some point today. Get them booked in. Do we go for cheap ones? Or do we go for decent ones? Cheap now and then wait a couple of months and get the wheels refurbed, new set of boots all round, or I don't know. I haven't got a huge amount of spare cash at the moment. We shall see. We shall. But I want to be safe, man. What else have I got to do? I've got to do something else today and I can't think what it is. Can't think. Oh, I ordered a bit of trim for the car as well. There's a trim piece missing on the back. That should be arriving in the next few days. Need to go on YouTube and see how difficult that is to install. If it's too difficult, I'll leave it in the car and the next time I go and get it looked at by Ian, the wonderful Ian at Tri-Point Autos in Southport, Mercedes specialist if you're interested, I will get him to fit it for me. If you've got a Mercedes in the Merseyside area, I would highly recommend him. Top fella, knows his stuff, very trustworthy, doesn't half look after me. So it won't look quite as minty. You know what, even if I won the lottery and was able to go out and buy Ferraris and Lamborghinis and other penis extensions, I'd still keep this. Have a nut and bolt restore done to it. Just so it's my first ever Mercedes. Might not be my last. You never know, do you? That's my first ever. Means a lot to me, this car. Know what I mean, bro? I'll definitely get it redone, resprayed as well, in obsidian black. Be boss, wouldn't it? Just having the money to go, right, I'm going to get that sorted. And I've got enough cars that I don't need to be worrying about how long it takes. That'd be beast, lad. That'd be beast. But let's not worry about that, because it's not really going to happen, is it? Whereas making it rich on YouTube, who knows? Nah, let's not worry about that. That's not going to happen, is it? I often wonder about that. I know it does tell you on the analytics who your audience is. So recently I've had mostly UK, some American, but like Japan and Korea, South Korea. Makes me think, what do these people make of me? Do they understand what I'm talking about? Or are they just sitting there thinking, what is this absolute lunatic going on about? What is wrong with him? It's interesting that though. And I suppose we are quite lucky in as much as Brits, Americans, we speak the English language, but a huge amount of the world also speaks English as a second language. So we're quite lucky in that kind of sense when it comes to having a global audience. Not quite the same for people who speak other slightly less spoken languages, is it? A bit more difficult. Although YouTube are doing quite well, aren't they? There's an auto dubbing feature that's involved. Don't know how good it is. But also, I know Esther's mentioned when these videos drop, they've got an English title and an English description. When she watches them, the titles are in Dutch and the description's in Dutch as well. So it automatically translates them. I did not know that was a thing. I wonder if it does it with anything else. Any other languages. Because you're potentially opening up a load more then, aren't you? A huge amount of the world. I mean, if it did it into Hindi, Chinese, massive. Not that I can imagine too many people in Rawalpindi or Zhengzhou being interested in the rantings of a melty-faced knobhead, you know what I mean? But you never know. Might be a good way to start the day for them. See what else is going on in the world. Probably watching this thinking this is what the Western superpowers are really about. Lad, what? Oh, please don't ever let me get to that stage in life. You can't be that much older than me. Old people, I know I'm an old person, the ones who just, if they think they're not looking at traffic, it's not going to hit them, just walking across the road. And obviously I was going to stop for them anyway, but you can't just walk out in the middle of the road when cars are coming. I mean, I used to do it all the time, just do that. Don't. Use the green cross code, man. Look left, look right, look left again, or, well, in 2/3 of the world, look right, look left, look right again. Just 2/3 of the world drive on the right. 1/3 of the world drives on the left. You think it'd be less, wouldn't you? But it's not. It's not. The reason why we drive on the left in this country is down to horses. Did you know that? I know some of you will do because I've mentioned it before. It comes back to the days of like highwaymen and things like that. Because most people are right-handed, you keep your sword in your right hand so you could fight with people. You would move your horse to the left-hand side so you could protect yourself or fight with people with your right hand. Oncoming traffic, you know, all that. And that's why. Stupid fact, but there you go. There's today's stupid fact. Normally I have plenty of stupid facts, don't I? But I'm tired. Cup of tea, nap. I rarely need my sleep now. What else do I need to do? No. I've got to put money in the bank as well. I'll do that later. Sleep first, finances later. There you go. I'll look at my tyres now as well, while I'm finishing my tea. There you go. That's a plan of action for the first part of the day anyway. Let's do this thing.